Welcome to Wicked Cool Vans, how we install back windows. First step, you need to make sure you have everything you're going to need on hand. Your windows, of course, some urethane caulking, your caulking gun, tape, paper towels, a cleaning solution, a jigsaw, some paint, and a file. You'll want to make sure that your surface area is clean and tape around the edge of where you'll make your cut. Now make a pilot hole so that way your jigsaw has a starting place. Placing heavy-duty tape around the edges will help protect the paint from the jigsaw tool. Now carefully follow your outline. File any sharp edges. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Remove the tape and clean the surface. Add a trim to your cut edge. Have strips of tape ready. This will hold the window in place while it sets. Now it's time to apply the urethane. Apply one continuous bead around your window. Now do the same to your glass. Carefully set your glass in place. Attach your tape. Now repeat these same steps for the other side. It should take around 4 hours to complete this job. Your van must sit for at least 4 days. Then you're all set to go. Thanks for watching another video from Wicked Cool Vans.